Yeah, tell me more about that, MB. What was going on?
I put no time into this class.
Are you gonna play for real?
Let's do rally slash.
I'm not.
Whoa.
Alright. You take points, Squids.
Are you being for real, man?
All right.
Are you really going down?
I'm down.
Let's head up Messy and then go to the cabins from there.
Sounds good. I'm gonna land just a little bit north of Messy, and I'll take that field.
I'll do west side and then move through the hall.
Sounds good.
Alright, I'll go east.
Holy shit, we got good comms here.
Of course, there's.
Yeah, I typically gauge when to jump on who I'm playing with.
I just like to be down first.
I like to...
I mean, sometimes that's not always an advantage.
Well, it depends.
I've died a lot.
If you do like the long glider ride into someplace where nobody else would take the long ride, sometimes you can loot in an area.
Yeah, free for a while.
Yeah, which is nice, but then if the swarm screws you,
found it,
you're in trouble.
Yeah, it's typically faster for me if instead of a long glider ride, if I hang in the gondola longer.
Yeah, but
the travel's much faster.
Landing and murdering everyone right away.
It's a solid tactic. If you've got the skills, to put people away with whatever weapon is in your hand, then
sometimes it's just get a really good weapon early off.
I managed 4 kills out of the same ghost beard.
At the start of one game, like a couple days ago. It was amazing.
Nice. We're doing the cabins here?
Yeah, do either want this purple laser, automatic?
I'll take it. Drop it there. I'm coming.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I've already looted the cabin.
Okay, you got this side already?
Paintball.
Okay, paintball, there it is.
I got them both.
Okay.
They're all good.
Thank you.
I prefer paintball, so.
Yeah, absolutely. I would take blue paintball over purple purple laser.
See, I've actually, with the pistols, I prefer now the Jumbotron ones, because I played enough laser tag to get good at the reloading, and they shoot faster, which is awesome for kind of that mid-range combat thing.
I've just had way too many issues glitching trying to reload.
Yeah, me too. Me too. I can't jink and dodge as nicely, you know, when I'm... Because my controller hand is...
Reloading at the
as soon
same
as
time.
I move over to reload, you know, it glitches it all up, right? Not glitches it, but screws up my flow.
Your flow? Yeah.
I don't
You're
want
playing Oculus or Vive?
I'm on Vive Wireless now.
See, it's a little different. See, I've got the thumbstick now, like on the Oculus, so it's a little different with the reload, because I can gotta keep that going
all the time. I don't have to point with the hand.
Yep. You want to do Rally Valley?
Yeah, let's do that one.
Okay, I'm actually gonna take this C-can stack, and then I'll go up the ridge, and I'll overwatch the field.
Yeah. We'll head right through Alley then.
Okay. And if it's clear, I'll drop down.
I'm in paintball as well.
Rally's looking clear, not looted yet.
Okay.
Oh shit, yes.
Oh, it looks like you already got this,
Yeah, I kind of cleared that way a little bit.
Yeah, I
if you wanna go
noticed,
for the middle rally,
where
I'm
you
gonna
were
cover
on
the
the
edges.
map. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm up the ridge, so I'm gonna take the cabin up here, and then
Yeah.
I'm doing reasonable on loot. So, orange paintball automatic.
Oh,
Lucky
heck
dog. Got my grenade now.
That's always nice.
I'm gonna, Songbird, if you want to grab this side, I'm gonna loop back around the other side here.
Yep.
I'll get the I'll get that.
Oh, come on.
You taking the finish line there?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's there. I'm gonna head over towards this side.
I got a blue laser pistol for you. You want it?
I would love one. The side
Perfect.
out. If,
Yeah. Do you want to take that up that way? Oh,
Where's he at?
Yeah. He's up that way a bit. I'm just grabbing the one up here first.
Okay.
Where'd it go?
I'll toss it down. Oh shit!
Thank you.
Do you want a purple laser automatic? Cause no, you got an orange automatic.
I'm good.
Okay.
Yeah. You don't want this?
Nope.
Okay,
Upgraded
I'm
to
just
orange.
gonna hide it then.
Yep. Good
Yep,
idea.
that's fine.
I just don't like
Leaving anything above a green
Yep.
Yeah, no shit.
visible.
Yeah, I'm moving up the plateau here.
Usually a few buried in here. Yeah, one here.
Alright. Oh, we got a grenade.
Grenade just went off and we got fighting over here.
Where?
Yep.
Where?
North side of the rocks.
Just north.
Yeah.
Oh,
Grenade went off
I got
straight
a
ahead
purple
here.
pistol for you.
Archery range?
Squids.
There they are. There they are.
Great.
Marshmallow camp.
Fuck.
It's Barry.
Well, that's good to know. That's right where we're heading next.
Got him.
I was about to do that.
Nice. Watch out for more.
Are you good on health?
I got a half on my belt too if we end up needing
I
it.
could use shield,
Yeah.
because Barry got a hit on me. The bushes are not looted.
Okay, here's some shield.
Coming. No, behind you. Thank you, Songbird. Bush is not looted.
Okay. I'll keep you covered from on top if you want
Thank
to
you.
Right here.
Right there.
They're right here.
Got one with a grenade.
Where?
Got the other one.
Got him.
Everyone's in here in the bushes somewhere. There's still one more out
Yeah.
here.
Downed her.
Fuck.
Nice.
She cursed. She cursed out loud. I got a small shield. Anybody hurt? I got small shield.
No.
I think we're okay. I mean, if
I
you
got a
have
half shield if
just
someone
drink
needs
it. I need shield. I'm not full.
Okay, I got a small right in front of me here.
Alright, where you at?
Songbird, drink this.
Where are you?
We are 3-on-3. I'm behind
like,
Squids.
you're both like right next to me,
They're there,
but
straight ahead of us.
See either.
Straight
Oh, right
ahead.
there, straight ahead.
I got a rocket to open with. Just trying to line up a shot.
You got that one?
Yep.
Straight ahead. They're moving.
You can just
drop it. I'll
grab it after.
I'm gonna distract from the left. Just try to pull them my way. Take some shots here. Covering fire. Blank on the right.
Damn.
Watch out, sounds good. Probably got a grenade.
Oh,
distance.
got Nick.
Got him. Sam's up
Okay,
top.
Sam's up on the ledge.
Shit, Sam's got the grenade on me. Nice.
Got it.
I'm down.
I got her. Yep.
Up top.
There we go. Nice.
Good round, guys.
Well done.
Up top. Viking.